Welcome back to another episode of Nick
and Matt.
Good morning, Health Nuts. Happy Saturday. Today I decided to vlog because I feel like I haven't done just like a chill weekend vlog in a while, and it's actually family day weekend this weekend. And yeah, Matt's already gone to work. He has to work this Saturday, but we'll meet up with him later. I'm just drinking a very full herbal coffee right now, and I'm about to do some of my morning journal in this bad boy here. I'm actually like almost done the book. But yeah, let's just get started with the day. I'm feeling good. I went to bed at 1:30 a.m. last night. I don't know why, but I feel rested now because I slept in a little bit. All right, so let the Saturday begin. Okay, so in case you're interested, this is actually what the inside of this book looks like. I'm not sponsored by them. I will link them down below in the info box though. I've been using this book for quite a while, and basically it just asks like 3 things that you're grateful for, 3 things that would make today great, and a daily affirmation. So it could be like, I am beautiful, I am strong, I am confident, just like whatever you feel like you should be telling yourself. Like, what would a best friend kind of tell you, or what do you feel like you want to be? So at night you say 3 amazing things that happened today, so you reflect on what happened, and then something that maybe you could have done better. So like yesterday I wrote, you know, I could have gone to the gym because I missed it. I got busy with work and I didn't end up going. But yeah, so that's kind of what it looks like, and it seems so simple, but guys, like, it is so good, and I really feel a difference when I'm consistent with this book.
With your point of view, this just feels like deja vu. It's about time for something new. It's our time.
Ooh, I was so indecisive on what to have for breakfast this morning, and then I thought, can't go wrong with oatmeal. It's hot.
In the elevator. I'm so proud of her. Almost attacked a couple people in Hyde Park, but that's okay.
In the what?
In Hyde Park.
Hi. Hi, welcome to the HealthNut home. Hi.
Maybe just like give her a minute because she's never been in the city.
Oh, I know.
Like, by the elevators, there was like 20 people, and I was thinking, oh my god, if she starts like trying to say hi to people, it's gonna be awkward.
Aww. Alright, so Yvonne just left with Milwaukee. It was really cute to have a dog here. I don't know if we've ever had a dog in the HealthNut condo. Anyways, Matt is he's gonna be here in a couple minutes. I just finished getting ready. I'm just like in casual clothing, like jeans, turtleneck, and I'm gonna wear my fuzzy, it's like a faux lamb wool like vest. And then we're going to a fondue party with his family. I don't know how much cheese I can eat. To be honest, I don't eat that much cheese, so we'll see. But Yvonne and I had like a late sushi lunch, I guess. She just ordered from Fedora, which is like a Uber Eats app. And we had just like ordered a couple rolls just to have something to eat since I was recipe testing like dessert stuff. And then after the fondue party, we're heading over to Matt's assistant manager's going away party because she's going to Japan for a year to teach English, which is really cool because it's something she's wanted to do for a while. So we are in total support of that, and we want to send her off and wish her the best. And that's basically the plan. So I just finished cleaning up the kitchen. Looks nice and clean. And Matt's gonna be here any minute, so he was just like, make sure you get ready. All right, so we are in the car. I feel like I've introduced you guys so much. Did I say car weird?
We're in the car.
We're in the car park. There's Kiki. They just got back from Mexico. And they're all bronze and fresh.
Hola.
And we are not. Well, I look so white right now. Matt and I need some sun desperately. So we are off to a fondue party. Imagine eating that as a soup.
Oh my god. Swiss cheese soup.
Japanese.
Okay, we'll try some.
We got her next. We'll take her to Hungary next and get her some Korean. Bibimbap.
Okay.
Like bibimbap. Or hot.
Good morning, Health Nuts. So we totally forgot to end yesterday's vlog. We got home not too late, like about 1 o'clock. And then we fell asleep on the couch and it was 2:30 by the time we went to bed. I'm just getting ready right now because we are filming something quickly and then we're heading up north to go see my family. Should we continue to vlog today? Let's continue the vlog. I feel like we're doing some fun stuff today. Yeah, so we are actually shooting something for the feed, which they're a huge like food directory on, they have a website, but they're big on Instagram. A lot of people tag them in their food pics and stuff, and I'm actually doing a feature on the feed, which is so cool. So I'm featuring my roasted butternut squash soup, which I will link the recipe down below. So we are doing, basically we're pre-filming the takeover, because that way they can like look at it, approve it, and then they can post it. Otherwise, like I would have to have access to their account, and that's usually how Instagram takeovers work. But nonetheless, I'm really excited. So I'm just finishing getting ready, and then we're heading to the grocery store. I actually have to pick up the ingredients since we didn't get a chance yesterday. Then we're heading up to see the Familia, which I'm so excited because I haven't seen Oren and Ella in forever. Matt just asked like, are they back from the cottage? Because I think he wants to see them too. He misses the kitties. So that is our day. So yeah, we'll just continue the vlog today. I'm gonna finish drinking my herbal coffee and probably make a quick smoothie before we go because I need something to eat, but I don't want to make like a whole Sunday breakfast. So probably a green smoothie. Maybe I'll bring the camera along and we'll do a time lapse of what I'm putting in it because you guys are always asking what's in my green smoothies. They're basically a blended up salad. I'm not kidding. I'm not lying, guys. I don't feel awake yet. Okay. Here you go, Mr. Matthew.
Oh, what a surprise.
It's not pancakes,
what
but
a lovely surprise.
it's gonna make you so healthy.
Liquid gold.
Liquid green. That doesn't sound good.
Liquid emerald.
Mmm.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah?
Very nice.
Yeah, go team. Alright, we are outside in the fresh air. And yeah, it's a little chilly outside, but it's not too bad. I mean, I'm not wearing my big winter jacket. But
I'm wearing mine.
do you know what the forecast is today? I never checked it. Do you guys check the weather? We don't have cable. I never.
It's like -1.
-1. I go outside and it's a surprise every day. It sucks when it's raining. I'm like, oh crap, I should have brought an umbrella. I don't even own an umbrella. So I guess it wouldn't matter. But We are just heading to the grocery store to get some food. We really just need a couple things, so it kind of sucks that we have to go out right now, but at least we got some fresh air to wake us up.
If I pretended I was dead, or you catch me out instead, I won't beg forgiveness.
That's all we actually see.
So you got the whole cart for that. It's a full
You
cart.
know what? I don't like to carry stuff when I'm grocery shopping. You know, I like free hands. Hands-free shopping.
We'll just have to pay the price. I will need a few more nights.
Those are two yellow?
Yep. Can't have a yellow banana.
No, because like we're gonna be gone for, we're coming back tomorrow. We're not
Yeah.
gone that long. Okay. You always have to have stuffed bananas that are ripe. Smoothies, banana bread, all the things. What a gentleman carrying the groceries. I mean, I paid, so I guess you gotta carry. So basically this is my shot list. So I have about 15 different shots that we have to do. And yeah, this is just like a rough outline. I mean, it's not like scripted. It doesn't have to be exact, but just so I don't miss anything. And look, a little taste test with Mr. Matt. I just told him that he's gonna be part of this. But yeah, so we're gonna start with a little introduction about myself, to introduce myself to the Feed audience, explaining what I'm doing, and then we have a bunch of other things to go along with the recipe. All right, let's go. Okay, so right now we're trying to basically hack, we wanna get Matt's phone, because he has the better phone, onto one of these tripods so we can do an overhead, because all of it has to be shot on a phone.
Yeah.
So today I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me as I make my roasted butternut squash soup with crispy kale and roasted chickpeas on top. It's so delicious, so easy, and super healthy. I'm gonna be taking you guys. So I feel like I haven't worn glasses, like sunglasses, in so long. It's actually sunny today. So we just made it for time. We're actually late for our meeting. I had to let the girl know that we're gonna be a little late. And I hate being late for things. So, but it's just how it is. Like, we are trying to fit a lot of things sometimes into a week or a weekend. And yeah, filming that little takeover video took a little bit longer because obviously you're dealing with food and you have to clean up and stuff, and then we were just like packing to head to my parents. But all good, we finished it thanks to Mr. Matt here. He's so amazing to work with. I'm so lucky to have him.
Thank you.
Speechless today.
No, just want to hit a car.
I know he's driving, sorry Matt, I'm distracting you. But yeah, it's really sunny and gorgeous out right now, and we are heading up north, which I'm so excited to see my family because I haven't seen them in forever, a couple weeks, which is a long time for me. But sun's out.
Guns out.
Buns out. I was gonna say buns. Okay, so I'm currently at Bon Look at Upper Canada Mall, and I'm trying to, I'm so indecisive. Oh wait, Matt, try those glasses back on. Okay, I feel like those actually, wait, you have them really high.
That's how you wear them.
I don't think so.
I've never worn, I don't know, it seems weird to wear them down like this, right?
Hey, those actually look really cute. I mean, by this point, by the time you guys see this, I probably would have already made my decision, but these ones, I'm in desperate need of new glasses. Okay, these ones, just like talking to myself to the camera in the store. Story of my life. Yeah. Okay, these ones, I think I'm going for similar looks, but I don't know. Okay, I actually don't know which one though. It's such a hard decision. I keep thinking I'm gonna be blind when I take off my glasses, but I'm wearing contacts. I'm like, oh right, I still can see. So we just got to, actually we've been here for a bit, but I just didn't vlog right away. We're at my parents' house now. Chloe's passed out. Hi Chloe. She's gonna be editing. Oh my god, you're so mean! Give me a heart attack.
Good job, Chloe.
I was like, she probably can't hear me because those headphones. I was wrong. Mumsy, would you like to be on the vlog? Oh, she's just washing her hands. So anyways, we are just about to go to Walmart to get some groceries. And she doesn't want to be on the vlog. We're gonna go to Walmart. You don't got your makeup on. You look, you got your new glasses. I was looking for glasses today too.
Yeah, they're very nice glasses.
All right, so we're at Walmart and I was just telling my mom, this is my favorite tahini. It's actually made in Lebanon, or it's from there, I guess. And let's see, the English side. Yeah, so tahini is just ground sesame seeds. And I don't know, there's something about this one that's so good. It doesn't have that bitter taste that I find. Don't you find sometimes they have like a bitter taste?
Yeah.
I just don't like them. But seriously, that tahini is really, really good. And I've just been putting in everything. And this is the Portuguese section. This is the hot sauce my grandma uses in her kitchen. I have one as well. Okay, so what I always find ends up happening at Walmart is you just like stock up on all the essentials, like Ziploc bags, muffin liners, Kleenex. It's like such a good price and I'm always out of it. And we don't have a Walmart right next to us, so I always feel like I just want to go stack up while I'm here. What do you got, Mom? Well, that's a lot of eggs.
Yeah, but
That's almost the size of Costco eggs. All right, I'm gonna my little section here.
Mommy!
Can I have a hug?
Mommy!
You can't give Tia a hug. You don't give Tia. Look, you want to be on camera? Want to be on camera? You got boogers. Where's Mommy?
I'm here.
Upstairs. Your hair's so messy today. Should we go get her?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, now okay, I want a hug though. I want a hug first. Oh, I gotta win my love with her. Do you love Tia Nikki?
Yeah.
How much?
Find Mommy.
Okay, let's go find Mommy. She's upstairs. Let's go. Let's stomp. Fee, fi, fo, thumb. Is that what it goes?
Whoa, you guys are good. Who touched your hand?
You got this, Ella. So I don't think I ever did an outro for this vlog. I think I fell asleep and totally forgot to end the vlog. So thank you so much for watching, guys. It is currently middle of the day. We're back at home in the city. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Question of the day today. What's the question of the day today, Matt? So question of the day today. What is your favorite Olympic winter sport? And yeah, are you guys watching? I'd love to know. Leave me a comment down below and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Do you want to come say bye, Matt?
Bye.
Okay. He's cleaning. He's in cleaning mode and I am trying to get a video up right now because it's already late. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next vlog and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.